there's a progress on the crazy pavers. I can see that he has used the light color glue, which covers now, you know, that whatever that was material before. Okay. And if there will be any bigger bigger spaces in between, you won't be able to see any darkness behind it or something like that. Okay. Interesting. That's how he started it. He did the glue up till there. He probably going to cover it all and then go up higher. Interesting. This is how they came in a big pallet, and it's full of stones, different sizes. Those are the corner ones. Interesting how he uses this piece of wood as if this was that wall. It's the same size, so he tries in here and then he puts it up there. I've never seen how they're done. And they actually come in quite big sizes, so I asked him to do them sort of like in a half. Otherwise it's a little bit too big for my liking. It's how he's doing it now, it's better. I'm glad I was able to see him before he started, because once he would have started it, he would have continued. Yeah. Interesting. Okay. I'll show the progress later. The more he does, the more I'll show. The crazy pavers are starting taking shape. What do you think of them, Billy? Wonderful. I like the results. I mean, he's going to still put lots of smaller bits in there, but the size of it, yeah, it's going to look great. Bill is doing some, what do you call it? You're doing a fiddly work? Is that the correct word to use?
It's okay. You can call it fiddly
work. What I'm saying is that a work that you can't really see, but
work
it's
that nobody else wants to do.
Oh, that. Billy, you basically saved us at least, 2,000 on one side and 2,000.
See you, Simon.
See you, Simon.
So you saved 3 doors.
3 doors. You saved $6,000 by doing what you have done, yeah?
Yeah, by blocking up one section. And I made this one fixed, but the other one's sliding, and I'm trying to get this one sliding. So if I can get one of them to slide, this section here, to open and close, and this will be fixed. So I'll remove that last one from here.
Not bad. Not bad.
If I can't, I'll just fix it.
2,000 each would have cost a new one, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, we got a quote and
then you got to paint it, you got to...
then, yeah. Plus all that work as well, yeah.
Just a window. So if you want to go out, you go out this way. So this one should be fixable.
Yeah.
Opening.
Yeah. Very good.
So when they come on, they can adjust this one, and hopefully they can fix that one. I took the locks of the old ones, but there's only 2 good ones. 2 good locks.
Yeah.
Maybe one. Third one is not so good.
So we might need to buy an extra lock.
No, we might just need to fix another window.
Fix the window.
Yeah.
And the plumber is here?
Yeah, he's still here.
He is working on the in-wall toilets, yeah?
Yeah, well, on water. I started in water downstairs. so we can have a water on tomorrow because he's not here tomorrow, and we need to have the water on.
Uh-huh. But in-wall toilets, that's an interesting one. It's the first time we're using an in-wall toilet. And
What system is it?
What do you call it?
Not toilet, it's a system.
Ye-
It's a flush system that's in the wall.
That's in the wall, yeah. Aren't they called in-wall toilets? Oh, well, yeah. Oh, yeah. With the toilet, you sit outside. Yeah. Yeah. But I did ask him the question because myself and my friend, who also is doing renovation at home, she was concerned about the repair. What if something happens and it's in the wall? So then you what? Do you break the tiles? I did ask the plumber what.
But you can have a look. Come upstairs and have a look at the system.
Yeah. I
I
asked.
think it's that simple.
Well, let's see. I'll tell you what he said. He said that everything is accessible from that flush buttons. You can remove the plate and you can get into that. He said it's not that. Yeah, see that part.
Yeah, this is what you're going to see.
Yeah. There's going to be a plate in here. And he said you can take it off and you open up and the stuff is inside. I asked if he ever had to fix anything. He said, yeah, there's some little bits and pieces that after a while you need to remove. But by just removing the plate, you can access it. A bit of a pain in the butt to do that, but it's possible. And he said the biggest problem would be if the tank would get a hole. But how do you get a hole in a tank? How? Nail through. But you need to check it before you basically tile, yeah? You can do that, yeah? You can check it before you put tile on, and then you know there's no hole in there, yeah? Mm-hmm. Well, I did ask him, knowing the troubles that it could cause in his own home, would he use this or would he use a normal standard toilet? And he said he would use these ones because they look better and it's okay to fix them. Okay, good to know. Billy, do I need to check on all the heights and everything? Because remember, once my friend's house, the plumber has made the what do you call it, mixer so low.
Yeah, but he just replaced the existing one. So if the original one was there, he just put it in the same spot.
Okay.
She didn't tell him to lift it up.
Yeah, over there. But in our case, is do I need to check? It's all good.
You can measure it.
We probably should check.
It all on the wall, so you're not. It's not something that he would just.
You did mark yourself.
Yeah, we went through everything together.
Okay.
And then we
But nevertheless, it's no harm in checking again. Yeah, because you want to make sure that they're in the right spot between the mirror cabinet and between the vanity, so they're not too high, not too low. Okay. That's it. You're done. You gone? Where are you? Running away.
I'm running from camera.
So he did here for the vanities as well. Well, okay. Where's your meter? I want to check the sizes just in case. Yeah, for the bathtub. Yeah, okay. Let's check the sizes. We got the toilets, and they sent us the wrong color of the flush buttons. Two wrong colors. No, none of them is mine color. I ordered white, and they sent me black and silver, like some sort of chrome or brushed nickel or something. Oh, yeah. And the bathtub arrived without the waste. Yeah.
They asked us, "Do you want a fly waste?" We said yes.
And I paid for it. It's all done. Yeah.
I mean, it's different if they didn't ask. I can understand then they say, okay, you get your own, which we still can.
Yeah.
But they asked us, "Do you want to waste as well?" We said, "Well, yeah."
And they didn't send it. Yeah, I have to check on them. I'll call them now. Okay. Billy, how do you do?
It's all right.
All right? Is it coming off all right?
Yeah, once you start, you need to get a middle out and then the flipping out. The mortar is harder to get off than the tile.
Yeah?
Takes longer.
But you've done really great.
Yes, but this is all done now.
Yeah, you have done all this already and the office room. It's pretty quick for a day. I mean, it can always go quicker than that, yeah? And it also depends on how much power you need to use for it, yeah?
Yeah, most of the time it's okay. It just from time to time you gotta push hard.
Yeah. And I see that you're using this kind of machine. It's a bit of a different one, the wheels.
Yeah.
Normally
So you don't have to hold it.
Yeah,
in your
it's
hand.
easier, yeah? Okay. Is it much more expensive to hire that machine?
Or maybe $100 extra
Extra?
a day.
Worth
But
it,
it's
yeah?
worth it, yeah.
It's a bit easier on your body, yeah? Nice.
You still get shaken up, but it's okay. Yeah.
Tonight you will like
You eat.
something like that, yeah. Okay, cool. All right, I'll leave you to it.
Hello.
Oh,
What are you doing?
I'm removing those pieces from the carpet because we're not going to use carpet in here. We're going to put engineered flooring, so we don't need this. And painter asked me if I could vacuum, in that hole in there, so he could start cutting. But we don't even need it, so I'm removing the whole lot, and then I'll sweep it, and then I vacuum it, and it's ready for him to be painted. Okay. That's it. Really, I got an idea. You know what I'm thinking?
I need to be in a hurry.
You need to be in a hurry.
You can't interrupt me all that.
Okay, bye.
See you.